Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve Roblox. It's not available on your device. To know how to fix Roblox it's not available on your device, you should just go to settings. Here we'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll search about Roblox. When you'll find it, you can click here for stop and we click OK. And then we click storage. Here we click clear cache. You can choose to turn off your Wi-Fi or you can turn off your phone. You can choose anything you want in the end of all these steps. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.